In this video, we're deploying an agent that automatically posts daily trivia questions to Slack, keeping your team engaged. It's useful for building team culture, breaking up the workday, or running regular engagement activities. Let's head to the template library to find this agent. We'll search for the trivia agent here. One click deploys the entire workflow to your account. Here's the workflow editor. You're looking at 17 steps that handle trivia posting, difficulty routing, and logging results. We'll walk through the key ones. The built-in AI assistant is here if you have questions about the workflow. You can ask about configuration, integrations, or how any step works. Watch how this agent automates daily Slack trivia with built-in setup notes guiding you through every step. This schedule trigger fires every 14-40 minutes, once daily, to automatically send fresh trivia icebreakers to your Slack team at the specified time. This node randomly selects one of 3 difficulty levels: easy, medium, or hard, using JavaScript to ensure each trivia question gets a varied challenge level for your Slack team. This node routes each trivia question down one of 3 paths based on its difficulty level: easy, medium, or hard, ensuring each question type gets the appropriate handling downstream. This node makes a GET request to the Open Trivia Database API, fetching a single easy difficulty multiple-choice question to use as the daily Slack icebreaker. This node makes a GET request to the Open Trivia Database API, fetching a single medium difficulty multiple-choice trivia question that will be formatted into the Slack message. This node makes a GET request to the Open Trivia Database API, fetching a single hard difficulty multiple-choice question that will be formatted into a Slack message for your team's daily icebreaker. This node formats the trivia question into a readable Slack message by extracting the category and question from the API response, adding a current timestamp, and structuring the data for delivery. This node executes a JavaScript function that extracts the trivia question and category from the API response, timestamps the data, and formats it into a structured message ready for delivery to Slack. This node executes JavaScript to extract the trivia question and category from the API response, formats them with a current timestamp, and structures the data for delivery to Slack. This node merges the separate execution branches back into a single flow, combining the results from both the question generation and user filtering steps before sending the trivia to Slack. This node executes a JavaScript function that extracts structured trivia data from the merged results, pulling out timestamp, date, and other fields to prepare the information for delivery to Slack. This node sends the generated trivia message to the #general Slack channel, delivering the formatted icebreaker question directly to your team. This node appends each trivia question and answer to a Google Sheet, storing the raw data from the previous processing step to maintain a permanent record of all generated icebreakers. The platform connects to over 1,000 tools. With this agent, you could extend it to log results to Google Sheets, sync team data with your HR system, or add email summaries. That's the complete setup. Deploy this template whenever you're ready and start running trivia for your team.